Chapter 10, Part 2. Let's continue with Saturn in Libra through Pisces. Saturn in Libra core lesson. Master commitment, create balance, and honor truth in relationships. In the first house, you're learning to balance your needs with others without losing yourself. In the second, find balance between giving and receiving money and affection. In the third, speak fairly. Listen as much as you speak. In the fourth, create peace in your home, even if it means walking away from chaos. In the fifth, love needs structure, not just sparks. Creative expression needs order too. In the sixth, don't give everything at work. Learn when to say no. In the seventh, it's time to define what love really means for you. In the eighth, heal imbalances in intimacy. Give and receive fully. In the ninth, commit to a philosophy of fairness and spiritual truth. In the 10th, become a public advocate for justice or beauty. In the 11th, build meaningful long-term friendships based on values. In the 12th, release guilt from past relationships. You're allowed to have peace. Saturn in Scorpio core lesson. Face your fears. Own your power. Transform from within. In the first house, you are the embodiment of quiet power. Stand in it. In the second, let go of scarcity thinking. True wealth comes from depth. In the third, speak the hard truths. Avoid manipulation or secrecy. In the fourth, break generational patterns of emotional control or silence. In the fifth, make your creativity sacred. Pleasure is power when respected. In the sixth, use routine and ritual to process deep emotions. In the seventh, stop fearing betrayal. Build bonds based on trust and depth. In the eighth, this is the deep dive. Let the old you die. In the ninth, trust your gut. Study the unseen. Master the mystical. In the 10th, lead through emotional intelligence and integrity. In the 11th, help others face their shadow by facing your own first. In the 12th, release your fear of being emotionally exposed. You're safe now. Saturn in Sagittarius core lesson. Turn beliefs into wisdom. Walk your truth. Respect freedom with discipline. In the first house, be a living example of what you believe. In the second, ground your finances in real value, not fantasy. In the third, speak your truth, but be willing to hear others too. In the fourth, heal dogmatic family beliefs. Create your own spiritual foundation. In the fifth, create from your core truth, not for validation. In the sixth, make your daily life match your deeper philosophy. In the seventh, choose partners who walk the walk, not just talk. In the eighth, release beliefs around shame, secrecy, or control. In the ninth, teach what you've lived, not what you've read. In the 10th, become a guide, mentor, or spiritual leader. In the 11th, share your wisdom through community and global networks. In the 12th, let go of false beliefs, surrender to higher truth. Saturn in Capricorn core lesson. Build with integrity, be your own authority, create a life that lasts. In the first house, step into full responsibility for your path. In the second, create financial systems that support your long-term success. In the third, speak from experience, lead with maturity. In the fourth, be the foundation your lineage needs, heal family expectations. In the fifth, create legacy through your art, your work, or your children. In the sixth, your body and your time are sacred. Use them wisely. In the seventh, love must be based in respect and shared purpose. In the eighth, let go of control. Trust that power doesn't mean pressure. In the ninth, be the wise teacher, not the wounded expert. In the 10th, you are here to build legacy. Walk the mountain path. In the 11th, lead your community through example, not status. And in the 12th, surrender the fear of failure. Discipline your spirit too. Saturn in Aquarius core lesson, be your true self, even if it breaks the mold. Lead the future. In the 1st house, walk your own path with full responsibility. In the 2nd, value your uniqueness, monetize your genius. In the 3rd, speak revolutionary truths with focus and clarity. In the 4th, you're here to break family cycles and start something new. In the 5th, express your weirdness, create what only you can. In the 6th, build futuristic habits, upgrade your systems. In the 7th, love doesn't need to look normal, it needs to be real. In the 8th, heal trauma around being misunderstood in intimacy. In the 9th, explore unconventional beliefs with discipline. In the 10th, be a leader for the new world, but stay grounded. In the 11th, build community through innovation and values. In the 12th, release the wound of being too different. You belong here. Saturn in Pisces core. Lesson, ground your spirit. Make your dreams real. Discipline your intuition. In the 1st house, be the mystic, but with healthy boundaries. In the 2nd, learn that abundance is spiritual and practical. In the 3rd, speak poetry, but make it useful. In the 4th, heal karmic family patterns through spiritual maturity. In the 5th, turn creativity into devotion. Art is your altar. In the 6th, make spiritual practice a part of your health. In the 7th, don't dissolve into your partner. Love with clarity. In the 8th, trust in the unseen. Let go with grace. In the 9th, commit to your path of healing, mysticism, or art. In the 10th, build a career that reflects your soul's calling. In the 11th, serve the collective through healing, art, or compassion. In the 12th, face illusions, wake up spiritually. You are the vessel. Final thought. Your Saturn sign shows the test. Your Saturn house shows the classroom. When both are activated in your return, life will feel intense, but it's never random. You're not being punished. You're being shaped. Saturn's goal is not to break you. It's to build you into who you were always meant to be. Take your time. Breathe. You're not behind. You're just becoming.